Welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're joining us today as we dive into the details of the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Space Grade Edition. This is a high-tech, wet and dry electric shaver that promises superior performance, comfort, and skin protection, all wrapped up in an advanced design. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. First off, let's talk about what this shaver brings to the table. The Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 is powered by AI, and it comes with Sense IQ technology, which adapts to your skin's needs, guiding you toward a personalized shave. This shaver features a 360-degree rotating dual steel precision blade system and a patented lift and cut shaving system. Whether you're tackling a 5-day beard or fine stubble, this shaver promises efficient cutting in any direction. And with the flexible heads that move 360 degrees, it can follow the contours of your face with ease, even in tricky spots like your neck and upper lip. Now you might be wondering, does this actually work as seamlessly as it sounds? In my experience, setting up the shaver was a breeze. The included Quick Clean Pod is a real game changer, keeping everything nice and tidy, and the charging stand ensures that it's always ready to go when you need it. The pressure guard sensor is another standout feature. It guides you to use the optimal pressure, ensuring you don't press too hard or too lightly, which is key for preventing irritation. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the shaver delivers an incredibly close shave, even with denser beards. The 360-degree flexible heads really follow facial contours, making those tricky areas easier to navigate. The build quality is top-notch, and I appreciate the longevity aspect with the self-sharpening blades. Plus, the included accessories like the pop-up trimmer and beard styler add more versatility. On the downside, while the AI and pressure guard sensor are useful, there's a slight learning curve as you adjust to how much pressure to apply. Also, the advanced tech might feel a bit over the top for someone who just wants a quick, no-frills shave. As for value for money, you're definitely paying for the technology and premium design. It's on the pricier side, but for someone who wants the best performance, personalized comfort, and long-lasting durability, it's worth considering. The 5-year warranty also adds a layer of peace of mind, and the 2-year self-sharpening blades are a nice touch. When comparing this to similar shavers on the market, you'll find that many don't offer the same level of precision and skin protection. While there are cheaper options available, few can match the 360-degree shaving system and the adaptive AI technology of this model. If you're looking for something with fewer bells and whistles, there are more budget-friendly models, but you won't get the same level of customization and technology. In terms of build quality, the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 feels solid and well-made. It's built to last, and the fact that the blades are self-sharpening means it stays sharp and reliable over time. I haven't had to reach out to customer support yet, but Philips generally has a good reputation for responsive service, so that's reassuring. If you're looking for something similar but more affordable, I'd suggest considering the Philips Norelco 7000 series. While it doesn't come with all the high-tech features, it still provides a good shave and is more budget-friendly. To wrap it up, the Philips Norelco Shaver Series 9000 Space Grade Edition is a standout choice for anyone looking for an advanced, personalized shaving experience. It delivers on its promises of comfort, skin protection, and a close shave. That said, it might be more tech-heavy than some people need, and the price tag reflects that. Overall, if you're after top-tier shaving technology, this one's a winner. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that other shaving enthusiasts can find this review too. Thank you for watching, and if you've used this shaver or have any thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay sharp and stay smooth with Beautyistic.